Are those crickets live?
There won't be.
Lord have mercy. You better close that bag back up.
I mean, you're gonna have to raise it. I mean, they won't take. He won't be able to make it in there.
All right.
He's only got about 2 weeks before
Head on.
a week or two before he would come out.
These
Head,
OMG.
legs.
Just the thought that those things are moving around in there is very freaky.
All right. This way first. You go. Come on, guy.
There you go. You got it. You got it. There you go. There you go. Right down.
Yeah, that was good, wasn't it?
And he's full.
Okay, good.
But you can do that about every at this age you can do that every 4 hours, every 3 to 4 hours, and he'll probably survive. And I would just feel all you have to do is look at his craw. I mean, do you see how gigantic it is?
That right there?
Yeah, that's full. And
I'll just feed him two every 3 or 4 hours.
yeah, I mean, all you have to do is look at the craw. When it's flat, fill it up again.
Would you hold him and go get a box?
Sure.
Straw.
Can you take these live crickets out of here?
I will in just a minute. It's bird food. All right, I'll be
The
right back.
things that people do in this TV station.